Welcome. In this tutorial, we will show you how to fix the problem of Facebook videos with no sound or sound not working on Facebook videos. Let's dive in. First, check your device volume settings. Make sure your media volume is turned up. Sometimes the volume is accidentally turned down, which can mute video playback sounds. Next, make sure your Facebook app is updated. Go to your App Store or Google Play Store, search for Facebook, and if there is an update available, install it. Outdated apps can sometimes cause audio issues. If you are still facing issues, try restarting the Facebook app. Close the app completely by swiping it off your recent apps. Then reopen Facebook and play the video again. Another quick fix is to clear the Facebook app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, App Management, then find Facebook app in the list. Go to Storage, then tap Clear Cache. This can remove any temporary issues causing sound problems. Also check if Do Not Disturb or Silent mode is on, as they can mute media sounds. Make sure they are turned off. If the problem continues, try logging out of Facebook and logging back in. Go to the menu, scroll down to log out, and then sign back in. And finally, if none of these steps work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Facebook app. This can reset the app settings and clear any deeper issues. And that's it. With these tips, your Facebook video sound issue should be resolved. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.